Week 33, Cabo San Lucas, Club Cascadas. So beautiful. We arrived today. Hey, there's Joe in the kitchen. Hey, Joe. Let's go check it out. That's from our balcony. We're heading back in. Here's our living space. There's Joel having his free margarita. Hey, did you notice? There's no TV. That's right. We at Club Cascadas don't have a TV. We don't need that.
But we do have microwaves.
Uh-oh, was that Joe? Joe, what did you say?
We do have a microwave.
That's right. We'll be eating out. We have a great restaurant here on the premises.
But of course, we could do anything here. It's got a
We'll be
cooktop,
eating. That's
coffee
Joe
maker,
talking.
Toaster, blender.
Yes, Joe, we'll be making coffee.
All for margaritas.
Today was free margaritas. Uh-oh, we're going to enter in the master suite. By the way, the living area does have a pool out. Here's our beautiful master suite. Wouldn't you agree it's fabulous? Oh my gosh, I feel the air conditioner. It's not too bad though, the weather. And then we have a little door that leads to the restroom, but we're not gonna go there. We're gonna come out and we're gonna go back to the hallway. Yep, there's the front door, people. Okay, here we go. We're going into the bathroom. Let's see if we can get some lights on. Let's see. I don't know if we can get some lights on. Okay, let's see. Technical difficulties. Isn't it fabulous? There's that door to the master suite. And there is our shower. Oh my gosh, it has a cute little seat. No bathtub here in Cabo.
Now we know why Irene likes rocks.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that a beautiful bathroom? Okay, people. We'll catch you later. Again, checked in. Week 33. Club Cascadas. Cabo San Lucas. Signing out.